In this session, let us learn about Python cMath module. Python cMath module. Python has a built-in module that you can use for mathematical tasks for complex numbers. The methods in this module accepts int, float and complex numbers. It even accesses Python objects that has a underscore complex underscore or underscore float underscore method. The methods in this module almost always returns a complex numbers. If the return value can be expressed as a real number, the return value has an imaginary part of 0. The cMath module has a sort of methods and constants. cMath.echoes method returns the arc cosine value of x. cMath.echoes h method returns the hyperbolic arc cosine of x. cMath.asyn method returns the arc sin of x. cMath.asyn h method returns the hyperbolic arc sin of x. cMath.stan method returns the arc tangent value of x. cMath.tan h method returns the hyperbolic arc tangent value of x. cMath.cos method returns the cosine of x. cMath.cos h method returns the hyperbolic cosine of x. cMath.cos h method returns the hyperbolic cosine of x. cMath.exp method returns the value of e, where e is the Euler's number approximately 2.718281 so on, and x is the number of passes to it. cMath is close method check whether two values are close or not. cMath.is finite method checks whether x is a finite number. cMath.is inif method check whether x is a positive or negative infinity. cMath.is non method check whether it is a not a number. cMath.logic x base method returns the logarithm of x to the base. cMath.log 10x method returns the base 10 logarithm of x. cMath face method returns the face of complex methods. cMath.polar method convert complex numbers to polar coordinates. cMath.rect method converts polar coordinates to rectangular form. cMath.sin method returns the sin of x. cMath.sin h method returns the hyperbolic sine of x. cMath squared method returns the square root of x. cMath.tan method returns the tangent of x. cMath.tan h method returns the hyperbolic tangent of x. cMath constants. cMath e constant returns Euler's numbers 2.718 so on. cMath.inf constant returns a floating point positive infinite value. cMath.infj constant returns a complex infinity value. cMath.nan constant returns floating point nan not a number value. cMath.nanj constant returns complex nan not a number value. cMath.pi constant returns pi 3.1415 so on. cMath.tau constant returns tau 6.2831 so on. Okay friends, this is the end of part 13 Python cMath modules. In next video let us learn about another topic, pandas data frame references. You can follow video part 15 from pandas complete course for pandas data frame references. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.